Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you the trending effect called Expressify in TikTok like this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this effect basically amplifies your facial expression. So if you're happy, it'll show you as very happy, or if you're sad, it'll show you as very sad. So let me show you how to use it. Open up your TikTok app. Now tap on Discover, search for Expressify. It should appear under Effects. Tap on it. Now you can scroll through some of the videos and get an idea of how people have used this effect. When you're ready, tap on Try this effect. Now the effect will automatically start. On screen you have two options. You have the expressions to amplify your expressions more, or you can make it to do the opposite. So if you're happy, it'll show you as sad. If you're sad, it'll show you as happy. This is a fun effect to play around with and record a TikTok video. Record your video and then post it on TikTok. And there you go, that is how to use the trending effect called Expressify for TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.